Good morning, respected director sir, honorable guests, teachers, and my dear students. A very warm welcome to everyone present here on this special occasion of our Community Helper Day.
शुभ प्रभात आदरणीय डायरेक्टर सर, माननीय हमारे सभी शिक्षकगणों, अतिथिगणों तथा हमारे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों। आज सभी हम यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं एक विशेष अवसर को मनाने के लिए, जिसे हम कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स डे कह रहे हैं।
Today, we gather to express our gratitude and appreciation for all those who work tirelessly to make our life comfortable and our society function smoothly.
आज हम सभी उन सभी लोगों को धन्यवाद व्यक्त करेंगे जिन्होंने अपने कार्यों से हमारे जीवन को सरल और व्यवस्थित बनाया है।
Moving ahead, let us seek blessing by lighting the ceremonial lamp. I request our respected director sir and guests to kindly come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony.
आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि तालियों के साथ इनका मनोबल बढ़ाएं।
A single lamp can light many minds, spreading hope that forever shines. Now, get ready to enjoy a delightful dance performance by our Grade 1 students. Please welcome them.
साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना, साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना। Good morning, one and all present here. Honorable Director Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, my dear friends, and a special welcome to the special guest for today, our community helpers. Today I, Rashmi, am standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on a special day that we all have gathered to celebrate here. We are here to celebrate Labour's Day, but it's more like a gratitude day. We are here to honor the silent heroes who make our school feel like a second home. They work behind the scenes tirelessly. They are the silent guardians of our comfort. Today, on this special day, I would like to say to all our helpers that your hard work is the invisible thread that keeps our school beautiful and a safe place for learning. You teach us that no work is small and every task done with love is a masterpiece itself. On behalf of each and every student, I would like to say thank you very much. You are not just helpers, you are the heartbeat of the school. Happy Labour's Day, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Director Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and special guest of the day. I am Kali Verma from Grade 8A, standing before you to deliver a speech on Labour's Day. Labour's Day is a celebration of labourers and working classes, which is promoted by International Labour Movement. As we all know, workers are the backbone of our society, so think about the clean decks you are sitting on, the books in your bag, and the very building you are standing in. And all of this, the tireless effort of a worker. Whether it is a farmer in a field, a worker in a school, or a sanitation staff who keeps our surroundings clean. They are the two architects of our society. As students, we must learn the dignity of a labor. No work is too small, no job is low. From the person who guards our school gate to the person who drives our bus, every individual contributes in our success. We must promise today to treat everyone with kindness and gratitude. A simple thank you to school staff can go a long way in making their day better. On this day, let us thank all the workers around us and ensure to pay them respect and support. Thank you, Auntie and Uncle, for your dedication and hard work. Thank you. Shame Vijayate.
Good morning, everyone. Respected director, sir, respected vice principal, and respected teacher, and respected guest of the day. I am Radhya from grade 5B. Now I am here to tell about Labour's Day. It's celebrating our school heroes. International Labour Day on May Day is celebrating worldwide on the 1st of May. It is a day to dedicate special guest of the day, and all the juniors and seniors are present here. My name is Akriti Morgan and I am from grade 5A. So, today I want to talk about something very important, Labour's Day, which is celebrated on 1st of May. Did you notice when you wake up in the morning, everything around us is already working properly, like clean classrooms, fresh water, buses, roads, etc. But do you ever stop and thought about them? Who make this all possible? It is our hard-working people around us, like aunties, driver uncle, conductor uncle, guard uncle, gardener uncle, and many others. They work every day hard and make our everyday easier. Behind every building that touches the sky, there are hands that deserve respect. Labour's Day is just not a day. It is a reminder that all jobs deserves respect. No work is big or small. A person who builds house is just as important a person who lives in it. As a student, we not need to work like adults, but we can still do something. We can respect workers, say thank you to them, and never look down on any job. Let's promise today that to value hard work, to respect workers, and become a good citizen in the future. Because our country grows not only by its leaders, it grows by its hard-working people. Thank you for giving me your kind attention, and happy Labour's Day.
One and all present here, honorable directors, vice principal, respected teachers, and our today's special guest, our community helpers. I am Dimash Pandey from grade 7A, and today I am here to talk about our silent heroes, our community helpers. Think of our world as a big machine, and for a machine every part must do its job. Our community helpers are the part that keep us moving. Think of our protectors, our doctors and police and our postmen career guard. They help us they protect us when we are in danger. They are our shield. They work when we sleep. We must not forget their courage. Think of our providers, our teachers and farmers. They give us knowledge and food. Even the sanitation workers who clean our streets are heroes. Think of our female non-teaching staff. They come school before us. They clean our classroom, assembly hall, corridors, and the restroom. But what do they need from us? The most important thing we can offer these heroes is gratitude. A simple thank you is the best gift. It shows them that we see their hard work. So let us be kind. Let us be respectful to these silent heroes, our community helpers. Thank you for being our foundation.
सभी को आज मैं आर्या कक्षा 6 से आपसे एक प्रश्न पूछना चाहती हूँ। क्या आपने सोचा है अगर एक दिन हम सुबह उठे और स्कूल बस ना आए तो क्या होगा? अगर स्कूल साफ ना हो, हर जगह गंदगी हो तो क्या होगा? अगर हमारे स्कूल में हरियाली ही ना हो, फूल पौधे ही ना हो तो क्या हम खुशी महसूस करेंगे? सोचिए।
तो फिर कौन है जो हमारे कामों को आसान बनाता है? कौन है जो हमारे लिए रोज काम करता है? जी हाँ, हमारी कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स, हमारे स्कूल के हेल्पर्स, हमारे ड्राइवर अंकल जो हमें स्कूल लाते हैं और घर ले जाते हैं, हमारी फीमेल सेनेटर्स जो हमारे स्कूल को सुंदर और साफ रखती हैं, हमारे वॉचमैन अंकल जो हमें हमेशा सुरक्षित रखते हैं, हमारे माली भैया जो हमारे स्कूल को हरा भरा रखते हैं। क्या हम कभी उनके पास जाकर यह पूछते हैं आप कैसे हैं, या कभी हम उन्हें धन्यवाद कहते हैं?
सच बताइए, हम उन्हें रोज देखते हैं, लेकिन कभी भी हम उन्हें याद रखते हैं, कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं। लेकिन आज मैं दिल से कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। शायद ये मेरी झिझक या हिचकिचाहट थी, लेकिन जब भी हम कोई समस्या में होते हैं तो आप सबने हमें अपने बच्चों की तरह संभाला है।
आप सब हमारे लिए बहुत खास हैं। आपके बिना हमारा स्कूल अधूरा है। आपकी वजह से हमें यह स्कूल सिर्फ एक बिल्डिंग नहीं, हमारा दूसरा घर लगता है।
आइए आज हम सब मिलकर एक वादा करें कि हम हमारे कम्युनिटी हेल्पर्स का सम्मान करेंगे, उनसे प्यार से बात करेंगे, उन्हें धन्यवाद बोलना कभी नहीं भूलेंगे। अंत में मैं दिल से कहना चाहता हूँ, धन्यवाद हमारे हर एक परिवार के सदस्य को
जो हमें चुपचाप हमारी जिंदगी को बेहतर बनाते हैं। शमेव जयते।
धन्यवाद।
Good morning, respected director sir, community helpers, and my dear fellows. I am Charlie Chha. Today, I am here to deliver a short speech on community helpers. So, community helpers are the people who make our everyday easy and comfortable by their rich and ambitious job. For example, teachers, police officers, farmers, cleaners, drivers, and many others. That's why we celebrate Labor Day. So on this Labor Day, we should be grateful to them and praise them for a job who made our society beautiful and vivid. Thanks and have a nice day.
Good morning, honorable director sir, respected vice principal ma'am, respected teachers, and special guest of today. I am Basu Suman from grade 6B and I am here to talk about the people who make our lives possible. We often look for superheroes in our history books or movies, but if we look around us right now, we will see them everywhere. They are our community helpers, men and women who work every day to keep the world moving.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Today we are celebrating a very special, auspicious occasion in our school, Ashoka Academy, that is International Workers' Day or Labor Day. So before starting my speech, I would like to congratulate all the speakers of the day. They have done it so well, and we have heard a lot of things in the regard of Labour's Day, why we are celebrating, why to have the gratitude. So I'll not take much of your time. So children, it's a very special day. We all know that we are observing the Community Helper Day to show respect and gratitude towards all the silent heroes. So it's not only about that we will honor them only for a day. We should make it a part of our daily habit. We should have the gratitude in our heart that every day we must thank them and we should be grateful to them, because a single day without their presence can stop the smooth functioning of our work or society. So let's give a huge round of applause once again for them. So wishing once again a very happy International Labour's Day. Thank you.
For your invaluable word, I request our Honorable Director Sir to address the gathering. Please welcome them everyone.
आप सबको वाइस प्रिंसिपल साजिया मैम and Shreya ma'am, program coordinator Jason sir. So wish you very happy, and I cannot forget you. Dear students, happy community day, right? Community helpers day basically. We say many things like workers day, labor day, Sunday divas, Mazdoor divas, everything. But the core word is that they are very helpful to us. You cannot move, you cannot do anything without getting their help. I think that is their work. We can say कि ये उनकी ड्यूटी है, but हमको उस ड्यूटी के लिए उन्हें रेसिप्रोकेट भी करना है. हम जैसे आप देखते हैं ना कि मई दिवस के दिन हमें इस बात को आपके साथ साझा करना चाहिए कि कैसे वो हमारे काम आते हैं, कैसे हम उनको शुक्रिया कह सकते हैं, उनके सामने उनको इस बात का एहसास दिला सकते हैं कि आप हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हैं. यही वजह है कि कि आप जो 7, 8, 6 के बच्चे बैठे हैं, शायद 5 के भी हैं, 6, 7, 8 जो हमारे 3 जो सबसे बड़े क्लासेस हैं, आप इस वजह से बैठ रहे हैं कि आप इस बात को सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं, जब आप अपने घर में जाएं, जब अपने आसपास के लोगों से मिलें, जब भी आपको लगे कि somebody is helping you out, you must feel their gratitude, right? And this is the way we can respect people. हमारे समाज का एक महत्वपूर्ण, हमारे पढ़ाई का, हमारे काम का, हमारे सीखने का, समझने का एक बहुत अच्छा जरिया है जब आप इस तरह की बातों को सीखते हैं। तो चलिए अब हम लोग मिलकर इनका सम्मान करेंगे। आप सभी आ जाइए हमारे साथ ऊपर।
Please welcome them.
A very good morning and नमस्ते आप सभी को। आज हम इस कार्यक्रम के अंत की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं, तो मैं अपने अशोका परिवार की तरफ से आप सभी के उपस्थिति के लिए धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। I would also like to thank to our management, because of whom we were able to witness such a wonderful program. I also appreciate the efforts of our students, जिन्होंने आपके सामने प्रदर्शन किया, जिससे उनकी मेहनत शामिल हो। मेरे पास कुछ अनुभव है जो मैं आपसे साझा करना चाहती हूँ। रात के 10 बजे किसी भी असुविधा के लिए संजय अंकल को एक कॉल बस करना या किसी भी काम के लिए पीयूष भैया को आवाज देना। बच्चों के साथ काम करते हुए अगर सर में दर्द हो, खाना खाना, चाहे आप कितनी भी देर से सफर कर आएंगे तो संजय अंकल आपको स्टेशन पर मिलेंगे। और हमारे कैबिन का ध्यान रखने के लिए निशा दीदी कोई लापरवाही नहीं करती। इन सभी में एक चीज सामान्य है, हमारा परिवार और उनका सार्थक प्रयास। आज हम सब अपने घर से दूर लखीसराय अशोका एकेडमी में आकर यहाँ के बच्चों के लिए काम कर पा रहे हैं, इसमें आपका बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। तहे दिल से